today at school, I was teaching a friend with zero experience how to box. And so I just told him, hey bro, show me what you got, show me what you got. No bro, let go man, freaking flow, you know what I mean? You gotta freaking let go, bro. Have you ever been boxing or in the middle of a school test or in a social event and you look like you are just gone? You're out of this reality. You're in a flow state. If you are talking to somebody and you're insecure, you're shy, and you're just thinking, oh, what do I do with my hands? Where do I look? Does this, oh my God, he noticed my unique eyebrow. I didn't do my mustache. You're thinking all this crap and the conversation goes like shit. You literally didn't heard anything what the guy said. But if you just shut up, if you empty your mind and you listen and you just are there in the conversation, suddenly the conversation goes amazing. Why? Because our brain, our thoughts are only a tool. It's like a motorbike to achieve a destination. But who is the driver? You. You are the driver. Don't let your goddamn intellectual, your brain, take over your goddamn mind, your body. School has taught us to always be intellectual. What is 1 plus 1? 2. You know, since we are born, we are put it into this system of always thinking, blah, blah, blah. Once was the last time they have taught you in school or your parents to just shut up and breathe. Just like shaving your balls. When you're shaving your balls, you're not thinking about oh my balls are gonna look so beautiful. No, you're just in the present moment thinking about not cutting yourself. You're just super focused in there. And that's the same with achieving anything. We are capable of unbreakable things. Now we just gotta shut up the intellectual, bam, zip it, and be full. Be in the flow. And of course it's a skill. It takes practice. Force yourself to be in the flow. You start thinking all this crap, blah, blah, blah. Just focus on your breath. Meditation, bro, meditation. I saw this video of a crazy Chinese guy. They meditated for years.
He then took our newspaper outside and showed us how qi can also be used to set things on fire.
I trust this crap. Why? Because when I won a school race, I was in the starting line just breathing, and I could feel my whole body tingling. I was opening my hand just like this, and every time I closed it and opened, my body would charge up. It would just enter energy into me, enter energy. And then I dapped up my homie and I just kinda in a way stealing his energy. That's what I was trying to do. And bam, the race starts and all the energy transfers to my legs. And I just go, no fogs, and I just start yelling, ah! In the middle of the race, I'm just yelling, bro. I have so much goddamn energy. I'm literally thinking, God, thank you so much. God, thank you so much. And I win the goddamn race. This crap is real, man. So get out of your head. It's only a tool. If you want to build an amazing building, then stop looking at the hammer and use the hammer to do the building. The best thing to develop mindfulness is cold showers. Also doing the Wim Hof meditation. It is so powerful. And in martial arts, that is literally the best mindfulness in the world. If you got a guy trying to beat the hell out of you, I bet you're gonna be in the moment and not thinking about some school crap. So basically you have the mind, which is the intellectual. You have the body, which is the instinct, like primal, lust, wanting to just get with woman, eat a lot of food, that's instinct. Your whole body operates out of instinct, like you don't control your goddamn bloodstream, like that's instinct. And then you also got the intuition, which is your heart. Still learning a lot about this. I just came from boxing practice, so I'm feeling really enlightenment, you know what I mean? And this was a crazy realization I just had, that we operate most of the times just thinking, and look at our lives. They kind of suck, you know. But when we just go with the flow, things go right. Because you notice, when you're just thinking all the time, your brain is annoying as hell and is useless. It's just talking a bunch of crap. This is the best way, using the brain with intention. Feel the body, spirit, mind connected and operate as one. I'm still learning about this, reading a bunch of books, putting into practice, meditating, eating healthy as hell. Look at this. We got some Greek yogurt with pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, banana. If you want a free, delicious ebook recipe, check out the description, subscribe. Now go meditate, go get freaking jacked, go work out.